say, I've got several, information that there's a lot of unruliness in the Shillong headquarters. We have so many incidents of arson, you know very well what I'm talking about. And we have seen that people are moving in and around, in vehicles which are having, loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating a very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. And after 10, I feel people should be going back to their families, should be going back time even for your workers to go back to their family. I mean, we should also think of, there's a limit for allowing people to open shop beyond 10 o'clock because of the various reasons of the consequences we're seeing in and around town that it's not safe anymore for even for ourselves to go back home after 10 o'clock. You don't feel safe at all. We cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very easy for people to say so, but for us who are implementing or who are taking care of the security, we have to take what are the costs, why are people going out. We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There is a reason people are going out because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, I mean 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock. It will be there as long as until a little bit of sanity returns to the city. We are concerned of the citizen, the old people, the young ones. There's a lot of crime that's happening in the city. You must be knowing better than all of us sitting here, three of us. But we know the number of crime that is going up in the city, the drug issue that is there. Everything is happening in the shelter of the dark. So we want to curtail all these issues, and for that matter, we have passed this order, and we hope that things will be improved and that we'll see some sanity in everyone, and that even for any normal person, I said that by 10 o'clock people should be at home.